If you're thinking about getting started with selling digital products, this is going to be a perfect beginner program to help introduce you to how it works, how to get started, and most importantly, how you can start making money from it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's inside the new and revamped digital income starter kit. If you're looking to get started in it, you can know what you'll be paying for, and the price is going to stay the same. It's still going to be $27, and it's going to come with tons of bonuses. I'm going to break this all down. Forgive me, I'm just making this a raw video. It's not going to be much editing. That's why we have the blank green screen behind me. All right, but we're going to dive right into it. Okay, so when you first make your purchase and you click the link, it's going to bring you to the members training area. And the first thing you're going to want to do is just watch this video where I'm going to kind of like give you an overview snapshot of what's going to happen, how it's going to happen, and to onboard you and get you started in the right direction. You're also going to get a free gift if you watch this video. And most of my videos are pretty short. I think the most of the videos, the longest video length is around like 8 to 10 minutes. But that's the longest as they go. Most of them are real quick to the point, no fluff. You're gonna have these little buttons here. It's gonna tell you everything. By the way, you'll be able to join my Discord. We'll talk about this a little bit later, but for the most part, you'll be able to get access to me and many others just like yourself who are doing this online, who are trying to make money with digital products. I'm very active in the community. I stress I'm very active in the community, and you'll see that when you join. Plus, inside my Discord, there are also free resources there that I'm going to show you as well. Only can get access to in the Discord. But everything is broken down step by step. All right, and I made it as easy as possible. Watch the video, click the button, a screen opens up, and you just follow what I'm doing in the video. You can literally copy me in the video. And then there's step 2, help you with choosing a product. Again, like I said, I'm going to give you some great products that are actually making me money, making my students money, that actually works. You won't have to scour the internet trying to find them. I'm going to tell you what's already working. You have 3 options, and these products will get imported into your website in one click. So when you click it, it's going to automatically get uploaded. You won't have to create it from scratch. And I'm walking you through that process in the video. All right, now if you want to sell a different digital product, you're also going to get access to over 600 PLR products in my vault. And you click this button, it's going to take you to the actual vault. You watch the video and I show you how to find products inside the vault. Also, if you want to create your own digital product using Canva, I'm going to give you 200 free and easy to use Canva templates. So these could be journals, planners, ebooks, almost any and everything imaginable. With over 200 templates in here that you'll have access to where you can tweak and make some changes yourself, okay? So if you want to create your own digital product for a specific type of niche or audience or whatever you have a passion for, I'm going to give you the templates for that. Step 3, I'm going to show you how to navigate your store. So when you get your own store, which is already pre-made and pre-done for you, I want you to know how to use it. So I'm going to walk you through the store and show you what everything is, what it means, and let you know what you actually have ownership over, okay? I want you to be in your business and know what you're doing in your business. So next, I'm going to show you how they make money from it, all right? And in order to make money from it, you're going to have to set up some key components. One of those things like being a payment processor, and this one we use Stripe. But I'll show you how to set it up to where you can integrate it with your store. Okay, so when people purchase it, you'll be able to collect those payments and transfer the money you make into your own personal bank account. And then I'll also show you how to choose a domain. You want to have your own domain so it looks legit. And I'll also show you how to get your own business email or your private email. All right, and it's super, super simple. I'll walk you through it step by step. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me just show you, when you click these buttons, you guys see this video opens up so you can work here and be doing the work with me. But on top of that, you guys, if you don't want to do this yourself, there's good news. My team will actually do that part for you. I know some people struggle with this. My team would do it for you for free. So we'll set up your domain, connect your domain, set up your email, connect your business email, and you won't have to do a thing. Okay, we'll take care of all of those things for you. So that'll be step 5. You just click this button right here. It's going to redirect you to a page. We're going to ask you some basic information. You click submit, and we're going to take over from there, and we'll let you know when it's all done so you can go inside your store or your website and see it's complete. All right, so you won't have to do that really hard techie stuff if you don't want to. And then of course, I'm gonna show you how to get traffic. I have a done for you content vault. So I have all of these faceless videos if you don't want to show your face. And I mean, there's hundreds, possibly, I think it's thousands of these videos in here now because we're always adding. We got aesthetic, female luxury, male thing, melanin women, travel, professional videos, and melanin men. So any one of those buttons, you're gonna get access to all of these videos. You won't have to create them from scratch. I show you in this video how to set up those videos, you guys. And then there's some more instructions right here. All right, so I made it very simple. And you can use these videos on any social media platform that you want. And then the last part is getting sales. This is gonna be that little hitting thing I'm gonna save inside the Digital Income Starter Kit. But I'm gonna show you how to take everything you just learned and turn it into profits, okay? So you definitely wanna check this out. I'm really excited about it. And like I said, we're always gonna be updating this and making it better and keeping it modern. Once you purchase it, you're gonna get master resale rights to it. So right here, you click this button, I'm gonna show you how to set up the product so you can resell it and you'll be able to collect 100% of the profits. I also have my digital marketing playbook right here. So if we click this, you're gonna get my digital marketing playbook. I'm gonna give you some more reels. I'm gonna show you how to sell on stories. I'm gonna show you how to do TikTok, and I walk you through that entire process right here. Also, you're gonna get some bonuses right here. So these are all of your bonuses. I'm giving you email templates. You're gonna get my ebook of teaching you how I made $27K selling a $29 ebook. I'm gonna give you my lead magnet template. You're also gonna get access to some of my secret traffic sources. I'm gonna give you a 90-day content plan, and you're gonna get a social media calendar. And we may be adding some more bonuses to this too as well. And then also, if you come here, you'll be able to see even more products that you can get access to, okay? But you're gonna get all of this, you guys, all of this, $27, one-time payment, no monthly fees, okay? And then, like I said, you're gonna get 100% master resale rights to where you could resell this entire product yourself, and you'll collect 100% of the profits per sale. So we're gonna give you everything you need in order to do that, okay? I already have the Digital Income Starter Kit out now. That's the one you've been seeing inside my bio or in my YouTube description. If you want to get access to this one after you make your purchase, we're going to update and send everybody the updated program all at once. So if you want to get access to it now before it drops, you can go ahead and make the purchase now, and I'll leave the links down below this video in the YouTube description. Or you can comment Digital Income Starter Kit down in the comments. And when we launch it, we're gonna make sure that you get access to the new and improved and revamped Digital Income Starter Kit. Guys, I am super excited about this. I really like this. I like the layout of it. I like the feel of it. I like the information in it and how simple it is now. It's simplified to where, in my opinion, even a caveman could do it, but you guys tell me, and I hope this really helps, and please keep giving me your information and data. My whole business is built around making sure that you're successful. Till then, you guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.